Hello, my dear. Today in our English lesson, we work on page 29 to 9. So read the words and read the sentences and then put a tick sticker in the matching box. So the first sentence, let's read the first sentence. He can play tunes. Magic E is silent. Tunes. He can play tunes on his flute. He can play tunes on his flute. What are tunes? Tunes are the musical sounds. So, which picture do you think is matching the box, the sentence? So, who is playing flute here? This firefighter is playing flute. So, we put the tick sticker for this box, for this picture. And the next sentence. Ben can make things. We have here in this word, we have a lot of digraphs. S and ng. Ben can make things with cubes and tubes. So Ben, this is the Ben rabbit. So he can make things with cubes and tubes. How do you think? Which picture matches the sentence? Where we can see cubes and tubes? Here they are, right you are. So we can put the tick sticker here. So we finish with the book now. And the next thing, we work with our working sheet. So you can see a lot of words in this cloud. And first, find the words with long sound U, with U and magic E in this cloud, and just circle them. So let's see. Flute, rule, use, dune, rude, cube, tube, cute, mute. So let's check the other words. Are they not include U and magic E and sound U? So k, a, b. No, this is short sound A with letter U. Cub. And here n, a, t, nut. Also no, it doesn't suit us. R, a, g, rug. Also we don't need it. K, a, t, cut. All these words are with letter U, but with sound A. R-O, rope, this magic E, but with sound O. And B-A-T, but, also sound, short sound A. So these are the words with U and magic E. Let's read them again. Flute, rule, use, dune, rude, tube, cube, cute, mute. Okay, great. They are all with long sound U and magic E. Now, open the next page, and here you have the lines. Please mind that these bigger lines, where we will put our letters, our words. And this additional line that will help us to not to make words flying or jumping and or make them too small or too big. So here we start writing the first word, flute. Flute. Next, rule. We can write two words in one line. Rule. The next, use. Use. The next word, dune. So now please complete this sheet, look at the other words and copy them, write them down on these lines. Try to keep some space between the words and try to fit your letters inside these two lines. And see you soon.